No happy.
Camera's on.
Ran it into the camera.
The camera's not on. My God, it's not on.
Oh my God, what's it?
Okay. Got it.
Is it on?
Yes, the camera's on. Hello. Yep, they can see my hand. Oh, I gotta itch my back.
Will we get inside?
Did you just see the poo?
Hold on. Oh, it's lava time! Oh no, wait, look at this way. Okay, guys, we're going inside.
Oh my God.
No,
I'll look this way in a minute. Now.
this is getting inside. Inside, you can get meow up. Meow, meow, you can get meow up. Meow, meow, meow. Whoa, whoa, whoa! What the? Those are tentacles.
They're gonna kill us. If you feel weak, smash out like you love.
Yes, I am so scared.
Get the swag in. Get the swag shirt and tell that Facebook site.
Hold on. Tentacles.
If you feel ridiculous, smash out like you always subscribe to my channel.
I'm so scared.
And subscribe to LOL Master tonight.
I'm so scared. Then I'm not so scared.
Okay, thank you all for coming to my video channel. Hope you like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.